Hey guys, so guess who's back with another video. So yeah, I'm just doing this how I attempted to melt my lace. It came out pretty good, but you gotta start from somewhere. I'm gonna keep practicing, and then next thing you know, I'm be on arrogant taste status. All right, I'm hyping it. But basically, I put on my wig cap. I already oiled my scalp and stuff. This is already cut because I did cut it already. I kind of cut it weird, but I have like a weird shaped head, so yeah, that's why I cut it like this. But I'm just making sure that I placed it exactly where I want to lay it. That way, once I put the glue, I could just put it on there and we're done. So yeah, you just want to make sure that everything is where you want it to be. Then you're gonna just push the wig back, and you're gonna apply some glue. I did use a protectant, a skin protectant. I forgot the name of it, but you could just go to your beauty supply store and look for skin protectant. Because I'd be scared, y'all. I'd be so scared. So I did put 2 layers in the front, and then on the sides I only put 1 layer. Because I didn't know exactly how it was gonna come out, so I was scared. But normally you could just put 2 layers all around. I am using my Pixie Beauty. I think this is the moisturizer, but yeah, you just need something flat just to thin it out, and then you're gonna just blow dry it until it's clear. It was still kind of white when I put the second layer on, and as I go throughout this video, it's still gonna look white. I was just tired, y'all. It was late when I did this last thing, so yeah, and then me and Rosie, we dancing. Because this takes a minute. It takes a good minute, especially if you want it done right. Like, it's gonna take you a while, unless you're a pro, which I'm not, so it took me a long time. So yeah, so now I'm just placing my wig on that glue, and then I'm just massaging it in. You don't want to really press too hard, because then the hair is going to stick to the glue if it seeps through. Ask me how I know, because I know through experience. So yeah, like, don't get mad if it's not looking melted like all these other YouTubers. I am a beginner when it comes to this wig stuff, but I'm so happy that this company sent me the this wig, because it's bomb.com after I finished it. So oh, y'all see that? Don't squeeze it, OD. Y'all, I was a hot mess. But yeah, you just want to place it on the sides and do the same thing. So I'll be back when it's time to come back later. Well, I don't want to say that because that's how I end my videos. But yeah, watch this. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just holding the edges because I have to apply some more glue, but y'all gonna see that, I'm just holding the edges so that it don't lift 100% like off my head, and I'm just plucking. I did have to cut the wig a little bit more, but it was plucked to perfection, y'all. Like, yo, California Monet did that. Like, well, that's her name on Facebook. So but yeah, I'm gonna leave all her information down below. This wig is less than $300 and the hair is included, so y'all better check her out because she got more wigs if y'all don't want nothing as colorful as this one. But yeah, you just want to pluck and brush, that way you know where to pluck next, because you don't want to bald it or anything. So yeah, I did that on both sides, but you will see. And then now I forgot to show y'all this part, but I basically just sprayed some Got2b freeze spray in my hand, not a lot, just a little bit, and then I dipped that part of the brush into it, and then I'm just laying like the edges, like literally the edges that's still lifted up, and then I'm just pressing and using a blow dryer to just blow dry it so it can, you know, be laid. And then now I'm just taking some of my foundation powder. This is from Morphe. I actually like this powder a lot. It's the filter number 10 powder, and it's really good. Like, it matches me really well. And yeah, I'm just going over those edges because it does leave like a whitish cast on the lace. So, you know, we just gotta blend it. Her. So yeah, I'm just going over the edges and that little section where I got like the little piece hanging, and I'm just showing my cousin right now like what it looks like. And then it's good if you use your phone camera because it will show you places that you may or may not have missed, so that's perfect. So that's my advice to you guys. Use your camera to see if it's melted or not. Yeah, you see I'm hype because it's looking like scalp. So yeah, I was hype. So imagine when I'm really laying these frontals, like y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. So yeah, I'm just applying it because, as I told y'all before, you will see it in the camera on your phone. So yeah, I'm just plucking it. That's all I'm basically doing for the rest of this video, and just making sure it just looks seamless. Okay. Yeah, once you plug it to perfection, I think I'm just going to hit that side one more time But it's looking good, y'all. Like, do y'all see that? Like, she is good. Yes. Um, so yeah, like, can y'all see I'm low-key feeling myself? Like, low-key, like low-key, high-key. But yeah, once you do that, then you just want to take something to wrap around your edges. Oh wait, you want to clean up first, because when you put that makeup on, it will show that you will see the glue. Um, so you just want to I use a Q-tip and some 91% alcohol just to get the stuff that was outside of the lace and on my skin off. And then that's basically it. I just wrap my hair um, with my scarf, and that's it, y'all. This is how I melt my lace. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and catch me on the next one. Bye.